Today's topic is quadratic equation. Solving quadratic equation using factorization method. There are three formulas you can use to solve quadratic equation. Number one is factorization method, two, quadratic formula, and three, completing the square method. Example, 3x raised to the power 2 minus 14x minus 5 equals to 0. In this equation, 3 is the coefficient of x raised to the power 2. 3 is also the leading coefficient of this equation. It is the coefficient of x raised to the power 2 and also the leading coefficient of this equation, because that is the first coefficient here. Okay, so minus 14 is the coefficient of x, whereas minus 5 is the constant. So step 1, solution. Step 1, multiply, check if the leading coefficient is lesser or greater than 1. If the leading coefficient is greater than 1, you multiply it by the constant. So in this equation, the leading coefficient is 3 and 3 is greater than 1. So what do? We say 3 times minus 5. 3 times minus 5 will give us minus 15. The second step, find the factors of minus 15. That when you add the sums, when you add the factors, we get this minus 14. And when you multiply the factors, you will get minus 15. So the factors are minus 15 plus 1. Now let's check it. Minus 15 plus 1 will give us minus 14. Okay? And minus 15 times 1 will give us minus 15. So minus 15 and plus 1 are the two factors of 15. Okay, then when you multiply to give you 15, and when you add to give us minus 14. Now what do? Open double brackets. Open double brackets. Okay, open. This 3x raised to the power 2, you split it. To one bracket, put 3x. And to the other bracket, put 3x. So these factors that we have gotten, which is minus 15 plus 1, share it between the two groups. So I give this one minus 15 and this one plus 1. Okay, the next step is divide each group. Let me call it group. Divide each group by the highest common factor, that is HCF. So when you look at this, the HCF of 3 and 15 is 3. Okay? 3 divide itself. 3 into 3 here, 1. And 3 into 15 is 5. So here we are 1 times x is x. Any number times any 1 times x, 1 times any alphabet is the alphabet. So 1 times x is x. The remaining minus 5. Okay? You come to this side. The common factor there is 1. Okay? 1 into 3x is still 3x. Nothing changes. And 1 into 1 is still 1. Okay? So in the first group we got x minus 5, and in the second group we got 3x plus 1. So what we are going to do now is to set each group to 0. Let's proceed. So we now say 3x minus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 0 plus 5. So when this minus 5 crosses over, it becomes what? Plus 5. So final answer, x equals to 5. You pick the second one. 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay? 3x equals to 0 minus 1. When plus 1 crosses the other side, it becomes what? Minus 1. It becomes minus 1. So 3x equals to minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now at this point, make x the subject of the formula. X equals to minus 1 over 3. So, therefore, the solution to the equation, are x equals to 5, comma, and x equals to minus 1 over 3. So this is it, using factorization method. Okay, next time we shall use this the same example to solve quadratic method, and also completing the square method. Thank you. Please follow my page, like and follow my page.